Introduction. Welcome to this video on Universe 25, the experimental study that explored the effects of population density on social behavior and reproduction in mice. While the study was conducted on mice, it has important implications for our own lives, as we face similar challenges in maintaining healthy social structures and reproducing sustainably in the face of population growth and resource scarcity. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the study and examine its implications for human behavior and social structures. The Universe 25 experiment. Universe 25 was a controlled laboratory experiment conducted by John B. Calhoun in the 1960s. In the experiment, a large number of mice were placed in a controlled environment with unlimited access to food and water, but limited space and resources for nesting and social interaction. As the population of mice grew, their behavior began to change. They became increasingly aggressive and socially withdrawn, and they started to form non-traditional family units. In some cases, female mice stopped reproducing altogether. Eventually, the entire population of mice collapsed, despite the abundance of resources available to them. This phenomenon became known as the behavioral sink. Implications for human behavior. While Universe 25 was an experiment conducted on mice, it has important implications for human behavior as well. As our own populations continue to grow and resources become more scarce, we may face similar challenges in maintaining healthy social structures and reproducing sustainably. For example, in urban areas with high population densities, we may see increased aggression, social withdrawal, and the breakdown of traditional family units, as well as other forms of deviant behavior. Examples of the behavioral sink in human societies. There are many examples of the behavioral sink phenomenon in human societies. One example is the rise of social isolation and loneliness, particularly among older adults. As our populations age and family structures become more fragmented, many older adults are left without strong social networks or support systems. This can lead to increased feelings of isolation and loneliness, which can have negative effects on mental and physical health. Another example is the rise of incel, involuntary celibate, communities online. In these communities, primarily composed of young men, members often express feelings of social isolation and frustration with their inability to form romantic relationships. Some members of these communities have engaged in violent or harmful behavior, highlighting the dangers of social isolation and the breakdown of healthy social structures. Lessons from Universe 25. What can we learn from Universe 25? First and foremost, it highlights the importance of maintaining healthy social structures and relationships, even in the face of stress and scarcity. We need to find ways to support and care for one another, rather than isolating ourselves or engaging in harmful behaviors. Additionally, the study underscores the need for responsible and sustainable resource management, to ensure that we can meet the needs of a growing population without degrading the environment or causing undue harm. In conclusion, Universe 25 provides a cautionary tale about the dangers of population growth, resource scarcity, and social isolation. By learning from the lessons of this study, we can build a better future for ourselves and for generations to come. We need to find ways to maintain healthy social structures and support one another, even in the face of stress and scarcity. Thank you for watching.